Compact and flexible, the Mountfield MTF 66MQ rider will easily fit through narrow gates and passageways. It is highly maneuverable, thanks to its narrow turning circle. Featuring a STIGA 224cc single-cylinder engine, this rider is ideal for mowing areas up to 3/4 of an acre. This model has electric key start, just like a car. It has a 66 cm cutting width manual transmission with 4 forward gears and 1 reverse gear. There are 5 cutting heights ranging from 30 mm to 64 mm. A 150-litre grass collector really does collect a lot of clippings. This mower can either side discharge or collect the grass. There is an optional mulching plug available. The Mountfield MTF 66MQ has a flexible 3-in-1 cutting system. Simply choose between collecting the grass clippings, side discharge or mulching with the optional mulch plug fitted. Due to its compact size, it is ideal for gardens with tricky twists, sharp turns, and complex designs. It is even small enough to fit through tight gaps, whilst its narrow turning circle makes it easy to maneuver around obstacles. Featuring a STIGA 224cc single-cylinder engine, manual transmission with 4 forward gears and 1 reverse gear, a 66 cm cutting width and a single-bladed deck, a spacious 150-litre grass collector makes it perfect for mowing lawns up to 3/4 of an acre. The side discharge feature is excellent for when grass growth is fast. You can even choose to mulch the clippings using a mulching plug, available separately. When mulching, the clippings are finely cut and blown back down onto the lawn to decompose and add valuable nutrients to the lawn. Cleaning after use couldn't be easier. Just connect your hose to the deck nozzle, turn on the water and engage the blade and you will quickly have a clean deck and blade ready for next time. The mulching plug and battery charger are available as an optional extra. With a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, this is a great garden lawn rider. Mountfield began manufacturing rotary lawnmowers at a premises in Maidenhead in 1962. The modern mowers today bear little resemblance but do still represent the same quality and value for money that the original mowers were built to. Mountfield lawnmowers have become part of family life for many of our customers, who have used our mowers for generations. They love the trademark reliability, performance and friendly customer service.